Hi everyone, how is your summer? Nowadays, it's so convenient to just buy ready-made stuff. I myself used to think that if I can afford to buy that professional tool, I can do a better job in whatever I'm doing. I never knew that I fell into a trap of working and consuming more. And in that loop, we normally ended up with more trash and clutter in our home. When buying gives us such a fast, short burst of happiness, making things takes time, but it brings a strong, lasting sense of pride, and it helps us value the item a lot more. One more thing I realized from reading my supporters and audience messages is that you guys tend to think that creators like me are perfect and we are too good at what we are doing. Well, I don't know about other creators, but I myself make mistakes so very often. Creating has taught me so much. I wish somebody had told me that making mistakes is completely normal. So please trust me. If I can do it, then you can do it too.